Hi guys, today we are just going to quick unbox a glitter order. This is from It's Pretty Personal. I ordered 12, so I requested one of their boxes. If you order 12 and you want a box, you have to remember to put it in the notes. So, this box is really cute. It says, when small businesses support each other, incredible things happen. They change up their boxes once in a while. But there's their logo, website, stamped all around the edge. And it says, thank you, our small business appreciates you, on the Dear Mail Carrier. I think that's cute. So, I've been doing those burst tumblers, and I realized that I don't have enough fine glitters. So, I went ahead and ordered myself some more fine glitters. They usually include an airhead, so let's see what colors we have. This one is a limited edition lighter blue. It's called Sun Shower. And look at that. It is gorgeous. I got this one, which is called Pomegranate Punch. This is from the Basics line. I went ahead and got the Baby Got Black from the Basics line. It's a holographic black, because I'm finding I like to base a lot of those with black. This one is a Basics remix called Fresh Water Spring. Kind of a greenish, bluish sagey color. This one is called One Night Stand from the Basics. It's a more of a rose gold. Whoa, look at the hollow on this one. This one's called Strawberry Wine. And these two are very, very similar. I wish I'd switched that out for something else, I guess. But I got Too Cute and Watermelon Slice. I find myself lacking in pinks. So, this one is called Almost Black. Also from the Basics line. This one is called Lime in a Coconut. This one's also from the Tarte collection. So that's a nice green. And this one's a Tarte called Red Velvet. Another red. And last, I have a Tarte called Sea Dreams. So, there you go. That is my new 12 finds. I have another, I have one similar to the Flip Flop and Hibiscus one, but it's got turtles, so I wanted like this one and this one. And I'm going to do the flowers a different color, so I've been waiting on these to get here to do that one, so I'll be looking for that sometime in the next week or so. But that's my new glitter haul from It's Pretty Personal. I have my link for them down below in the description, and yay, glitter!